Hello, benvenuti. Buonasera. Very best technology combining to deliver unrivaled controls and thrills. This is very first time. The Aprilia Tuono 457. It sounds good and it looks amazing, just like this handsome man beside me. Hi, how are you doing? So good to see you. He needs no introduction whatsoever. He is Aprilia's India brand ambassador, India's OG biker boy, and of course my dear friend. So lucky. How are you feeling this evening?
Fantastic, and I'm really excited that I'm here, and happy I'm amongst really august company, so it's great.
I'm very excited about this evening as well, and I think to keep that excitement going, let's take a look at the product.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, please give a warm round of applause to Diego Graffi. Congratulations, Mr. Graffi.
Thank you, Ramona. Thank you.
You have brought one of the most beautiful bikes here to India.
I agree, totally.
With an unmatched legacy, the country's first Tuono, yes? And I'm sure that makes you very happy.
Absolutely happy, proud, very lot, because I have to thank all my team here that has helped with this long journey. I've won this challenge really by far. RS was a disruption, complete disruption in the mid-performance bike segment. It has created a complete revolution, a new benchmark, I think, for not only in India but also across the world. It won.
My driver, and he thinks, "Sir, आप क्या launch करने जा रहे हो?" I said, "Street naked bike launch." I said, "हाँ, naked. उसका जो fairing है वो नहीं है, तो पूरा जो engine block है वो दिखता है, the handlebars up." So. I tried explaining it to him in a very colloquial, simple way, and that's why I think this looks really beautiful.
So I think we have established that the looks of this bike definitely stand out. But since it is an Aprilia, we know that it comes with all the latest developments that a bike can have. So without further ado, let's invite on stage Mr. Anand Bangalore, CTO, Piaggio India, to tell us some performance numbers and what's going on inside the bike.
That delivers a unique performance compared to RS 457 to Tuono. Right, that's the unique difference between the two that we wanted to create. The fun ride drivability with Tuono and the full LED rear lamp with the cluster, which is also taking care of the small element.
The test rides.
Drive will be available across India progressively, starting from the first week of March.
Okay, so someone can just walk into the Aprilia showrooms
Of
and
course, experience it live.
wow, experience all the fun that the Tuono 457 brings. Okay, what about the vehicle deliveries though?
delivery will happen exactly at the same time when the customer will start taking test drive, so they can test drive and book it and take it home same day.
Okay. And what about after sales and service?
After sales, we are replicating the same model that
ಫೇಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಅದೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 4x7 BSP ಆದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಖತ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿಬೋದು ಗಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಿಸ್ತು ಈ ಗಾಡಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್
thought process for people who want to ride the RS457. They're a bit extreme. And then the Tuono's very good. Things don't just change.